Watch the fireworks. No.
What? I read. How was it late? That was such a late move.
Say hi. Peyton, say hi.
No.
No!
Fireworks, buddy. Oh, cool.
Whoa!
Oh, yikes. The bigger it is, the louder it is.
You wanna get in there?
Sit down in there.
No.
Are you scared?
You want to buy mama?
Are you scared?
Alright.
Oh!
Ooh,
Yay!
dirty.
Yay! Okay.
Jacoby, say hi. Say hi.
Jonathan! I don't like you over there. Come on. Johnny, your mom said come over here. Jonathan Robert. Pretty, yeah, pretty. Upside down. Is that a drone? Is that a drone? Is there a drone? Oh, yep. Yep, I see it. See the drone? Damien, you
Oh,
see it? The two red lights in the
yeah.
green light?
Yeah.
It's going up right now. Up, you see it? It's a drone. Videotaping the fireworks up there.
Oh, I should have brought mine. Mom, I should have
It
brought
might be
mine.
someone maybe from the tribe. Maybe they're going to put something on their page.
Mom, I should have brought mine.
Not done?
That would have been perfect. Now sit down,
You
Peyton.
want to go up yet, Becky?
Go. You go.
I don't want to go. It's alright. You want to go down there too?
Oh, Sasha. Oh my God. Jacoby. Okay, maybe I do need the flashlight.
That was the Pokeball!
Sit down. I can't get it unless you don't sit down.
Johnny, you're messing up my pictures. Because if you're in there, like, the flash comes on.
Hi. Say hi.
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 That's not my camera, man.
Hey, hi.
Hey, we're right here.
Here, man.
Mom, take over. Oh my gosh. I don't even know if I'm getting.
Hiding behind it.
Why does the bang come after the fireworks? Why? Does it? What?
Is that smiley face, Nestle? You missed it. It's gone already.
Cut some pieces right from Toby's face. Do you think the antennas will be spinning? Because those are my recommended pieces. He's just there, Becky.
Yep, I see him. And here it comes. Cool. I like those ones. Here you go, Drake. Orange pop.
What is it? What kind is it?
Orange. Orange pop.
What kind?
Sunkissed.